Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. I also have a YouTube channel that talks about watches. So if you want to learn more about Seikos, Rolexes, all of those cool stuff, link can be found down below. But for today's episode on this channel, it's all about Kobe. This will be my unboxing of the Kobe 5 Protro 5 rings. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have 3 ongoing giveaways. We're giving away a Realme 7 Pro smartphone worth 17,000 pesos. We're giving away off-white face masks, 3 of them, legit from Off-White Manila. And we're giving away a Travis Scott Astro World towel in collaboration with Cop Garden. So the links to the giveaways are linked in the description box. So check them out, click them, watch the videos. The mechanics will be there. The draw for most of them will happen on October 15th. So this sneaker actually first came out in 2010 when Kobe won his 5th championship, being re-released today or this year, and it is one of the nicer Kobe's, at least in my opinion, because I just love the color. So you have the typical Kobe box, the Mamba logo over there, Kobe Bryant signature. This one isn't in my size. This is size 10. This was just sent over for unboxing from our good friends from Soul Haven PH. I'll link down below to their Instagram account. If you pop the box open, bam, take a look at how kick-ass that sneaker is, man. This is one super dope shoe. Whoa! Boom! Taking a closer look at the shoe, the upper is literally peppered with different permutations of 5 printed all over it. You have it in cursive, you have it in numeric, you have it in what looks like Roman numerals, you have it in like an almost Voltes 5, you have it in script, you have it in cloud. I mean, there's just so many permutations of the word 5 and the number 5 plastered all over the shoe, and thus the name 5 rings. By the way, shout out again. This was sent over by Soul Haven. Thank you for lending the shoe so that we can unbox it on today's episode. Now, apart from that, this one has a low profile, low cut. Apparently, because it is meant to complement Kobe's style of play, wherein he instantly moves left and right, does his fadeaways, does his drives, and apparently this is more flexible for him. You have the Mamba logo, of course, over here at the tongue tab, and you have his signature at the back here with some sort of like patent leather material, giving it that shine and that gloss if you take a look at it from the back. When it comes to the tech, this has the Zoom cushioning technology of Nike, and it has a carbon plate over here for additional arc support. I read more about this sneaker and the design philosophy behind it, or what the designers were thinking when they were putting it together. And apparently the thing that was really creeping in their minds, or that was constantly in their brain when they were crafting it, is that having that mentality and attitude of Kobe of doing whatever it takes to win, be it studying the tapes for hours on end, spending insane amount of hours in practice and in the gym, doing all of the stuff to prepare yourself mentally and physically to be able to perform at the highest level that he was able to perform on the time when he was playing. I just have like one almost controversial question that I want to throw to you guys, and I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Personally, I kind of find it too early. I mean, he passed away quite recently. We all know that, and we were all devastated, regardless if you were like a basketball fan or not. Kobe was just such a larger-than-life character. And as I hold these sneakers in my hand, I ask myself the question, is it too early to, release sneakers like this? Personally, and this is just my opinion, and obviously everybody can have an opinion, right? I feel that it might be better to have, given him a little bit more time, maybe next year. Maybe that would have, but then again, when's the perfect time to release sneakers for somebody as iconic as, Kobe, who passed away? There's no right or wrong answer, to be straightforward and honest. But personally, I feel that they could have waited. But then again, they probably planned this way ahead of, his passing, and they probably had discussions with the family, and maybe I'm pretty sure they had their input if they should release or not. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Is it too early? Should they waited? And if they did, what is like the best time to release? Because personally, I think it would have been better like next year. But again, there's no right or wrong answer. So just share what you think down below in the comment section. You know what? As I hold this and I look at it, it makes me really want to buy or go over all the different shoes of Kobe that was released in the past, and I want to pick one and just own that and beat the heck out of it. If it's just to at least own a piece of, you know, that memory of watching him play when he was playing, when he was still alive. Kobe was like, you know, he was a fantastic player, but I really became such a big fan of him, to be frank, after he retired. Because it was there where I watched all of his interviews where he would talk about, you know, business, or talk about mindset, where he would talk about his discipline and how what he did to be able to win. And then everybody watched The Last Dance, and you saw Michael Jordan himself talk about Kobe, and man, his legend status for me was just cemented and taken to a whole new level after he retired. And I would love to have like a pair of Kobe's that I would regularly use in my rotation, if only to remind me of that, to remind me of the Mamba mentality, to remind me the values of hard work, to remind me the values of just putting your head down and putting in the work, you know, rolling up your sleeves and just doing it. So I would love to own a piece of that. And this probably isn't it. I like the design. I love what it stands for. But I will continue to go over all the designs and all the different Kobe shoes, and hopefully I get to pick one, buy it, own it, and it'll be up there on my wall. So let's watch out for that. Power up words of wisdom for today. Let's learn something from Kobe. Let's learn something from that Mamba mentality. But more than doing whatever it takes to win, I would like to focus on really that value of hard work and resilience and grit. Because doing whatever it takes to win can be misconstrued in so many ways. It can be very Machiavellian. It can be, you know, without values, without morals, without integrity. I'm not saying that Kobe was that. I'm just saying that the line "doing whatever it takes to win" might be misconstrued as that. So I just want to hammer down the value of, really, there's no, you know, secret of success except all putting in the work, putting in the time, putting in the sweat, and being able to build that mastery and experience and expertise so that you're able to do what you do at a higher level. For example, I'm able to speak the way that I do in English to all the Filipinos watching this video because I've been speaking English consistently for the last 1,200 videos that I've uploaded on this channel. So that is insane practice of speaking English again and again. And apart from that, when I do my talks, when I go to my meetings in my work, that's also all done in English. And also my editing style, that's the reason why I'm able to upload videos consistently on a daily basis, because I put in the time and built up the experience and the efficiency, and it just becomes natural. And that's what I wish for all of you to have, regardless if it is in your side hustle like me with this one, if it's with your main job, if it's with your business. I hope that you guys find that deeper level of energy that will allow you to just put your head down, do the work, enjoy it, and mature in the process and become great at something. Okay? So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. Shout out again to Soul PH Haven for sending over the shoes that we can unbox. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Shout out nga pala to Lester of On One's Own. Send this shirt for free. Filipino brand. I just want to wear it and we'll rep it for today. God bless. What's up? Boom.